Hi you guys! I thought that I would vlog today. It is currently Sunday morning and I've just gotten ready. It's around 10 a.m. Oh my gosh, exactly on the dot. I haven't even looked at the time in a while. But we are about to go to our friend's brunch. She's a vegan chef and she's hosting at a spot that's kind of nearby us. It's a bit of a walk, but get our exercise in this morning, so that should be fun. And then besides that, I really have a lot of things to do today, but I'll get it done. I'll show you my outfit. I am wearing Avery's Rick Owens jacket with a thermal underneath so I can be a bit more warm, and my everyday black trousers and Doc Jaden boots.
Sort of hard to find a plant-based alternative.
Vlogging from a tripod here. I just finished filming a main channel video. I'm not sure which you guys will see first. You might see this first actually. Brunch was super good. I'm sure you guys saw the clips of it. I haven't had French toast in a while. I feel like you often don't find vegan French toast on menus at restaurants at least. And it was incredible. I will link our friend Tara's Instagram down below if you guys are interested, or if you are in New York or Brooklyn and you want to check out one of her pop-up brunches or dinners. But at this point I'm actually getting hungry again and I'm not sure what I should make, but I should clean up the mess I have just made from filming. Yesterday Avery and I spent the day cleaning our apartment, pretty much doing a deep clean, a deep organize. Sort of, we could have done a bit deeper, but I feel like yesterday was just a good reset day, sort of our Saturday routine. We take our compost and I usually just like Swiffer and clean the apartment, and then we dug into our finances and did just all of that administrative boring work. Good morning, you guys. It is a new day. I thought I would vlog because I'm unboxing a package and oh my gosh, it is really snowing out there. Can you even tell? It just started, and when I went downstairs to pick up this package, I noticed that our stoop is completely covered. So it looks like it's gonna be a day inside. I'm actually home alone today, which really like rarely happens, especially for more than like an hour. Avery got casted for this shoot last minute, so he's there all day. And I just got some yoga blocks in the mail. These were quite affordable and the reviews were really great, and they have a 1-year warranty on them, which is awesome. So I'll have them linked down below. It's like a set of 2 black yoga blocks. I've been using those a lot in my classes lately. Previously to a studio that I've been going to recently, I've never really been in a class where it was like encouraged to actually use the blocks in like more restorative poses. It was always kind of viewed as a thing that like if you can't do something, you use the blocks. And I've just really been enjoying using them for like lower back pain, and it's just been amazing. So I purchased those, and it also came with a strap, which is really nice for trying to improve my flexibility again. See why my phone is making so much noise. Probably just going to be getting work done around here today because I don't want to go outside in the snow and the cold. I think it's like really supposed to be a bad snowstorm a bit south of us, but here it's just supposed to be a bit, although it is coming down pretty quickly. I'll probably do some yoga at home at least since I don't have class today. Other than that, just doing some back end work, vlogging for you guys hopefully. Hi you guys, I just got my grocery delivery. There's actually so many bags I've never got my groceries delivered before, and I just wanted to try it out because I think I mentioned this earlier, but just a lot going on lately, and we don't live near a major grocery store without really having to take the train. I think in the summer we can walk, we're like 2 miles away. So honestly, paying for like a monthly subscription to get groceries delivered is cheaper than taking the train once a week for both Avery and I just wanted to try it out. One complaint already, I guess, is that you can't really control the amount of packaging, which is something that, you know, I try to limit. But we're just trying out Amazon Fresh with their free trial program, and I'll see how it goes. I ordered these at like 1 a.m. last night because I realized we're like pretty much out of produce, and it's here the next day. So first, I have a 5-pound bag of potatoes. Just russet potatoes. I was eating a lot of sweet potatoes for a long time, and I'm about sweet potatoed out for at least a little bit. Some vegetable broth. Still haven't gotten around to making my own vegetable broth with all of my veggie scraps, which is something I've been meaning to do. I have a bag full of them, so I should just do it, but I was looking up recipes the other day, and I was like, you shouldn't use cruciferous vegetables in your veggie broth, which is like broccoli, cauliflower, Brussels sprouts, all of the good vegetables that I do have a lot of scraps from, so I just have been reconsidering it a bit. Black beans, crushed tomatoes with basil for making our own pasta sauce, 2 things of coconut milk for curries. We made some of the best curry last night, and it was so simple and easy. I want to remake it like ASAP. 2 things of chickpeas. I also thought that when you ordered on Amazon Fresh, it came in those like green bags that I sometimes see in my building and in my old buildings, and then you give them back to them the next time you get a delivery, which I really liked the idea of that. But they brought things in paper bags, which is still better than plastic. I got 2 tofus that were on sale, and then some unsweetened almond milk. This is something that I really have to buy from like a Whole Foods or Trader Joe's. The almond milk and other plant milks at the delis nearby are like $6 instead of $2.50, which obviously that's a no. Yeah. Fair trade bananas. I got 1.5 pounds of zucchini, that was the option. A head of cauliflower, avocados, a big bunch of kale. Lastly, 2 things of frozen broccoli and 2 frozen berries. That is my haul. I'm currently having my healthy version of a chocolate milkshake. It's pretty much just frozen banana with cacao powder, peanut butter, oat milk, and a really small amount of maple syrup. And it really satisfies my cravings. I'm pretty picky about cacao powder though. I can't have too much, it's a little too bitter for me. And I think you shouldn't expect it to taste exactly like chocolate. It's really great to throw some dates in here if you have them on hand as well. But yeah, I pretty much will only have cacao powder in smoothies. I tried to make like a hot chocolate with it, and I just wasn't vibing. This is good. The snow has slowed down.
Pillow Talk, brought to you by Killer and the Sweet Thing. I'm Eileen Kelly.
And I'm Jacob Safarian. On this podcast, we normalize...
I forgot I was vlogging. Made more curry with a Beyond Meat Italian sausage, some cauliflower and zucchini. I remade By Chloe's mac and cheese. They actually post their recipe online, so I'll link it down below. But it tastes exactly like it, and it's actually pretty affordable to make besides some cashews. So I'll link it down below for you guys. I also made this crispy tofu, which is amazing.
Chicken tofu.
Yeah, it only requires 3 ingredients. And no fryer required, it's just in the oven. And cauliflower and kale. Finding public bathrooms in New York City when you're out and about is always difficult, but if you're ever in Soho, Housing Works Bookstore Cafe, which is a beautiful place, has a public bathroom.
Niin siitä voisi olla yleisesti ottaen ehkä parempi, jos olisi vaan oppi. Oikein.